Chapter 19, Part 3. We're going to look at adjectives that change meaning with position. Now, we looked at these a little bit way back on the first day, but here in the textbook on page 390, there's a list, and you need to go through the list and memorize them, understand them. In general, the rule is that before a noun, which is not the normal place, these words have a figurative meaning, but if they're after the noun, in the normal place, they have a literal meaning. So ancien will be an example. That's where we get our word ancient. So it means old in a literal sense. So if we have an ancien ami, we've got ancien coming before friend. That's old in a figurative sense, and the figurative sense that's given in French is a former friend. So not somebody who's a friend now, a former friend. But an ami ancien is a friend who is old, or an ami âgé, a friend that we have that's an old person. Now, one of the more tricky ones is mem, which before the noun means same, and mem after the noun means itself, himself, or herself, or sometimes it'll mean even. So this one's kind of a tricky because it's got a lot of really abstract meanings, but you'll see in the examples what's going on. So work on these translations, write them all out, try your best. Some of them are a little silly, but see what you come up with.